Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, I'm going to show you some ways that you can open up a new Google Drawing and begin working on it. If you already have Google Drawings open, you can click on File, and under where it says New, there's a little triangle menu here, but the only option there is Drawing. So I think the reason you might want to use this is if you already have a Google Drawing that you're working on, but you want to start working on a different one, you can open up a new Google Drawing, and it will be blank like this one is. Or if you click on Open, it will show you all of your other Google Drawings that you have, and you can search for them in Drive. You can use the tabs here to locate them, and you can open up a drawing that way if you already have it created and you're just not sure where it is, or maybe you do know where it is. You can open up a Google Drawing that way. Or if you have one open and you want another version of it, you can click on Make a Copy. That will make a copy of whatever Google Drawing you already have open. In other words, wherever you are accessing this menu from, it will make a copy of that Google Drawing. And there's also another way you can do this. If you are in Chrome and you just want to create a new Google Drawing, you can type in drawings.new. And Chrome is already built in. Google has already reserved this bookmark. If you just type in drawings.new, it will create a new Google Drawing for you right in Chrome. You don't have to be in Drive. You don't have to be in a specific folder or anything. So that's kind of a neat little hidden way to create a new Google Drawing. So there's a lot of different ways you can create a new Google Drawing. It all depends on where you are in Drive or if you're not in Drive at all, but there are multiple options available to you.